so bright. Good morning. What? Happy Monday, December 25th. We made it. Guys, it's like 60 degrees outside. Are you kidding me? It's like 60 degrees outside right now. So, y'all already know what I'm about to do. Happy December 25th. Happy Monday, y'all. I'm about to go make me some coffee, okay? Guys, I don't even know why I said good morning. It is clearly 12:42, and I'm super, super glad I was able to sit in. I'm super glad I was able to sleep in today. Today is going to be a beautiful day. But I'm getting ready to go ahead and, I cannot believe it's 60 degrees at the end of December. This is so weird, so strange. You know what? No, it's not. No, it's not. Sonia, back it up. It's not strange. Let me go make this coffee, okay? So guys, an unusual day calls for unusual things. So I made me 3 homemade pancakes. I'm gonna top them with some blueberries. And I'm gonna eat them with y'all, okay? In a minute. Y'all see what time it is? She wasn't lying. Let me go back to the coffee, okay? All right, guys, I've been waiting on this moment. Y'all, I normally don't be here at this time, so this feels so, so good. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna eat with them and chat with them. I actually only have, to be honest, I only have an hour. Well, I have to be at work at 3 o'clock. I'm gonna leave my home at 2:20 to give me time because I don't know like what the traffic's gonna be like, but did I offer y'all some? Here, have some. It's so toasty, look at that. Y'all see that? Oh, it tastes so good too. I'm very grateful for today. I am very grateful for today and this moment. It is very quiet in the neighborhood. If you know what I mean, I don't hear anything. I heard somebody shut their door or something. That's it. Other than that, it's been quiet. It's been nice. How are y'all doing today? What are you doing? Probably spending time with family, friends. And that's okay. These blueberry pancakes, y'all want some? What's wrong with me? I didn't share. Here you go. Probably spending time with your family, and it's okay. I wanted to spend time with my pancakes because I know normally I wouldn't be doing this. So this is very good satisfaction to me. Just sit here and eat my pancakes. But y'all, I'm looking forward to working today. This is something new for me. This is just going to be times of just trying to tap into new things in my life, doing things that I normally wouldn't do, just to get a feel for them, you know, just to see how things work. But I'm going to finish eating with you. I say with y'all. I'm going to finish eating, y'all. I had already brushed my teeth behind the scenes. Y'all already know how we do. Life of content creators. But I'm going to finish eating my breakfast, having my coffee, and enjoy my alone time with me and my father. And I'm going to go get dressed. Y'all already know I'll show y'all outfit today. And then we're going to take a ride to work so I can show y'all the beautiful views. It's 62 degrees in Ohio. We're going to give a shout to that, all right? I'll see you guys. Let me finish eating my pancakes. I love you guys. We made it till December 25th day. I'll see you in a minute, okay? All right, y'all. It is what it is today, right? Bear with me, people. I'm getting myself together. The life, like I said, of a creator. Everything is content, right? Even when you're trying to get yourself together, everything is off. Everything be off. But I'm currently washing my face. Y'all got like, how many more minutes? I'm going to say 45 minutes I got. I got to do my exercise and all that stuff, but I'm about to scrub my face real good. I am using my homemade sugar scrub and some coconut and shea soap. So I'll let it sit on here, you know, for a little while and then do something to my hair. And, oh, y'all, we will be back. I hope y'all are enjoying this. Y'all not going to get this until like, I hope I can get it to y'all before 12 o'clock midnight. Hopefully. If not, it still counts for the 25 days of Vlogmas, okay? She did very well. When you commit to something, you got to do it. Do y'all hear me, good people? When you commit to something, you are responsible to do just that. So let me finish doing my face. I don't want to scare y'all and be looking like a ghost on here, because that's what it's starting to look like. And I'll see you guys when I get dressed with outfit of the day, all right? All right, guys, like I promised, here is your outfit of the day. I just have on the black cotton tee, top knot, earrings, minimal jewelry, you guys know. Couple of little change here. This chain, if y'all want to know, it says Courage. I don't know if y'all be able to see that, but it says Courage. And got on some black jeans. I got on my black riding boots. And then I'm going to get ready to spray on some Etage. Right, Etage. Etage or something like that. Hold on. This is what it is. Okay, can y'all see that? Can y'all see? From Ross. No, not from Ross. From Roses. Excuse me. From Roses. It smells really good. And I think in another video, y'all have to go back. I think this is inspired by somebody. I just can't remember. But I'm going to put this up and I'm ready to go, y'all. It's basically time for me to head out. It is currently 2:15. See? 2:15. We're going to grab our bag. I have my stuff by the back door and my house is clean. And I'm excited about that. Look, everything is clean. So guys, I will see you all. I probably will see you at work. All right? All right, y'all. Y'all, it's so nice out here. Like really nice. It's really like 62 degrees. It's probably 64 now. I gotta call my son back before he getting his fee-fees because I didn't respond. But I was trying to get ready. But anyway, it's nice outside. It would have been nice if I could have watched Lady Blue today and went walking today. It's like today's perfect. People are outside riding their bikes and everything. But I already know. I put on a cardigan too because I already know once I get off work, it'll go from 62 or 64 to tonight it could be 25. So I did do that, wearing my cardigan just to be on the safe side. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some views near the site, and then I'll probably come back when I get to work. So hold the line, please. Work with me today. Look at that. so happy. That's so funny. That is really, really a good day. Today is a good day. I will see you guys in another video. Be blessed, y'all. And happy December 25th day. Okay, let me get to work. If I got anything to bring y'all back in, I'll do that.